Is Windows failing to load because of the TWAIN 64 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin our TWAIN 64 library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the TWAIN 64 library, the 64-bit version of the TWAIN standard library, managing the data handshake between 64-bit Windows applications and high-end document scanners. Missing versions are a leading cause of scanner not found errors in professional imaging suites like Photoshop X64. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as TWAIN 64 Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with TWAIN 64 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A quick warning, many sites offering TWAIN 64 Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to TWAIN 64 Library. If your workstation is back online and TWAIN 64 Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.